Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Chevrolet Infotainment System in the MyChevrolet app, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin updating your Chevrolet Infotainment System, first ensure your vehicle is parked in a well-ventilated area. Open the MyChevrolet app on your smartphone. If you haven't already, sign in with your Chevrolet account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Vehicle tab. Select your vehicle from the list displayed. Look for the Software Updates option within the vehicle settings. Tap on Software Updates to check for any available updates. Make sure your vehicle is turned on but not running. Ensure your smartphone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. You may be prompted to allow the app to access your vehicle's information. Approve this request. The app will now search for any available updates for your infotainment system. If an update is found, read the update details provided. Confirm that you want to proceed with the update. The app will begin downloading the update files. Monitor the progress bar as the download completes. Once the download is finished, the app will prompt you to install the update. Follow the on-screen instructions to initiate the installation process. During installation, your vehicle's infotainment system may reboot. Do not turn off your vehicle or close the app during this time. Once the installation is complete, you will receive a notification in the app. Finally, verify that your infotainment system is running the latest version by checking the system settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.